Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made money with Temu affiliate program. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is sign up for the Temu affiliate program. Now, I will link sign up form at the top of my description below the video and also in the pinned comment for easy access. And once you're in the interface, you will look something like this on your screen. Now for this method, focus on the section that says share items to earn. So click there. This is where we can share specific products with people, not just a generic affiliate link like before. Now this is my secret to generating crazy sales. As you browse the products, you will see how much you can earn for each one. Now, most products are relatively inexpensive and won't pay out very much, so it's crucial to find ones that pay out at least $5 to $10, if not more. That's what I've been doing to maximize my earnings. Now, I would recommend you to identify around 10 to 15 products at least, then get your affiliate link for each one and save them in a Google document for easy access later on. Now, Temu has unlimited amount of products, so this shouldn't take you too long. Once you gather the few products links, you're going to want to create a brand new Pinterest account. So just go to Pinterest and make a new profile. This is free to do and should only take you about a minute or two. Next, you're going to want to brand your Pinterest page as a review page. Now I'll put a link in the description to a page you can use as inspiration and get some ideas for. You can make it look professional using free design software like Canva or even Photoshop if you have that, but the most important part is the profile picture, so don't stress too much about the rest of it. Now for the actual strategy, go back to the affiliate product section and open a product page of each item you want to promote and save as many product images as possible. The more the better. I also recommend going down to the reviews and saving all the images on there as well. So once you have a lot of images, just upload them to Pinterest, add all of the images and let them load, then add your affiliate link to each one of these pins. So just use a simple title, describes the product with some details, and you'll be good to go. Now, here's my secret method. You're going to want to schedule these pins to post 5 to 10 times a day. Now, you might think this is a lot of work, but I've shown you how to do half the daily tasks in just 5 minutes. And if you need a refresher, just rewatch the video and do this twice a day, and you will start seeing results in no time. I can almost guarantee it now. I challenge you to try and do this every single day for the next 30 days, and I bet you'll be absolutely blown away by the results. But I've been doing this for just a week, so this is hands down one of the best strategies you can find right now because Temu is so popular at the moment, and you can even schedule all of the pins for the entire month, so everything runs on autopilot. Now, guys, that's pretty much the cool strategy. If you missed any steps or found anything confusing, just rewatch the video until you've got it down. Perform this daily for at least a week and you'll have a lot of pins out there. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.